नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता अकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम लोग क्लास 8 के ज्योग्राफी में लेसन नंबर 8 इंडस्ट्रीज इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाहर कर सकते हैं। ये है लेसन नंबर 8 इंडस्ट्रीज, उसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मार्क राइट इन द बॉक्स नेक्स्ट टू द राइट अल्टरनेटिव्स। फर्स्ट, which factor among those mentioned below does not directly impact industrial development? Option: first water, second electricity, third labor, fourth air. The answer is air. Now next, second, which of the following is a small industry? First, machine part, second, book binding industry, third, silk industry, fourth, sugar industry. The answer is book binding industry. Now next, third, which of the following cities is not an IT sector? First, old, second, New Delhi, third, Noida, fourth, Bengaluru. The answer is all Delhi. Now next, fourth, an amount of 2% of the profits have to be utilized for which purpose by industries? First, income tax, second, corporate social responsibility, third, goods and service tax, fourth, sales tax. The answer is corporate social responsibility. Now next question. Question number 2, state whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the incorrect statements. First, small and medium industries of a country are harmful to heavy industries. The answer is incorrect, and correct sentence is small and medium industries of a country are supportive to heavy industries. Now next, second, the level of industrialization is an indicator of the economic development of a country. The answer is correct. Now next, third, the aim of the Industrial Development Corporation is to decentralize industrialization. The answer is correct. Now next, fourth, corporate social responsibility is compulsory for every industrialist. The answer is incorrect, and correct sentence is corporate social responsibility is not compulsory for every industries. Now next question. Question number 3. Answer the following questions in 3 to 4 lines. First, what are the facilities provided by the government to industrial estates? The answer is the following are the facilities provided by the government to industrial estates. First, government gives concessional rates to the states for electricity, water and taxes. Second, states are also provided piece of land at concessional rates by the government. Now next, second, write in your own words how industrial development impact national development. The answer is first, industrial development generates employment opportunities. Second, due to increased employment level, people gets job and per capita income increases. This further increases the standard of living of people. Third, industrial development increases the value of the gross national product. Fourth, industrial development increases the production of various goods. By exporting the surplus goods, country can earn foreign exchange. In this way, industrial development positively impacts national development. Now next, third, give your opinion in short on the usefulness of corporate social responsibility. The answer is first, corporate social responsibility is responsibility shown by the industrialist by working for the betterment of the society and for conserving environment. Second, industries making annual profit of more than 5 crores are expected to spend 2% of their profits on some of the following acts. A, providing educational or health facilities. B, establishing centers for mentally or physically challenged widows, other needy people. C, developing a particular village or region. D, establishing environmental development centers, etc. Third, corporate social responsibility increases the welfare of people and so proves beneficial to the society. Now next, fourth, mention 3 features of small industries. The answer is 3 features of small industries are as follows. First, small industries require comparatively less amount of inputs like capital, machinery and manpower. Second, small industries require comparatively less premise for its day-to-day operations. Third, generally the goods produced in small industries have local or regional markets. Now next question. Question number 4. Write detailed answer to the following questions. First, explain the factors affecting industrial development. The answer is the factors affecting industrial development are as follows. First, scientific and technological advancement, quantity and quality of labor, speedy transportation facilities, ready markets, availability of raw materials, government policies, political stability, etc. are factors that influence the industrial development of a nation. Second, for example, dense forest areas, mountainous areas, desert regions have extreme physiographical features. Transport facilities are found to be limited in such regions. Therefore, industrial development is found to be limited in such regions. Third, for example, agriculture is developed on a large scale in the fertile plain and the regions of moderate rainfall. Agriculture provides raw material to many industries. Therefore, industrial development is found to be high in such regions. Now next, second, state the advantages of the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. The answer is the advantages of the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation are as follows. First, the state government of Maharashtra established the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation or MIDC on 1st August 1962. Second, through MIDC, government has set up industries in all districts of Maharashtra. MIDC supports the industrial growth and decentralization of industries. Third, government gives concessional rates to the states or industries for electricity, water and taxes. States or industries are also provided piece of land at concessional rates by the government. Fourth, MIDC has been playing an important role in generating employment opportunities in all the 36 districts of Maharashtra. Fifth, MIDC has been playing an important indirect role in increasing the per capita income and standard of living of people in Maharashtra. Now next. Third, explain the importance of the IT industries. The answer is first, information technology industries includes various components like searching of technical information, obtaining information, analyzing information, compiling information, graphic presentation of information, and providing information. Second, information technology industry provides various types of information through internet on computers, mobiles, and other devices. This industry provides information at comparatively less cost, time, and efforts. Third, the obtained information can be used for personal, economic, social, cultural, etc. development. India has made rapid progress in this industry. Now next. Fourth, considering India's population, the development of industries is a good solution to the problem of unemployment. Explain. The answer is first, according to Census 2011, the population of India was nearly 121 crores. Second, in India, majority of people are engaged in agriculture. In India, agriculture is seasonal in nature. Therefore, the unemployment rate is found to be high in India. Therefore, it is essential to develop industries in India. Third, by developing small industries, unemployment people will get employment opportunities. Small industries will help in providing jobs to less skilled, less educated people. Fourth, by developing medium and large industries in rural areas, the process of urbanization can be boosted in village. It will also restrict migration of people from villages to town and cities. The employment level in a nation can be raised by developing industries. Thus, considering India's population, the development of industries is a good solution to the problem of unemployment. Now next question. Question number 5. Prepare a flow chart for the following statements. First, the journey of clothes we use from the farm to ourselves. The answer is agricultural raw material cotton, thread making, cotton fabric making, cloth making. Now next. Second, essential factors for the location of any one industries. The answer is essential factors for the location of any one industries. Physical factors. First, relief. Second, soil. Third, mineral resources. Fourth, water supply. Economic factors. First, agriculture and raw material. Second, transportation facilities. Third, market. Fourth, capital. Other factors. First, quantity of labor. Second, quality of labor. Third, scientific progress. Fourth, technological advancement. Now next question. Question number 6. Highlight the differences. First, medium industries and heavy industries. The answer is medium industries and heavy industries. Quantity of inputs. Compared to heavy industries, medium industries require inputs like capital, manpower, machinery, etc. in lesser quantities. Compared to medium industries, heavy industries require inputs like capital, manpower, machinery, etc. in greater quantities. Examples: fruit processing industries, jaggery making industries, furniture manufacturing industries, etc. are the examples of medium industries. And example of heavy industries: sugar manufacturing industries, textile industries, automobile manufacturing industries, etc. are the examples of heavy industries. Now next, second, agro-based industries and information technology industries. The answer is agro-based industries and information technology industries. Location: agro-based industries are generally located in the rural areas. Information technology industries are generally located in urban areas. Nature: agro-based industries are traditional in nature. Information technology industries are modern in nature. So friends, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 8 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स पे जरूर लिख करके बताइए। इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। नमस्कार दोस्तों।